This exceptional, extra-long Vogel-Eredyon crystal wand is hand-cut from natural Brazilian clear quartz, showcasing nearly flawless water clarity. Within its female termination, rare blue-ray needles reveal themselves under bright light, formed from trapped gases during its ancient growth. These mysterious inclusions lie outside the vortex, preserving the wand's powerful energy flow. Similarly, a faint veil near the male termination adds to its story without disrupting its energetic integrity. Clear quartz is known as the Master Healing Stone, a universal amplifier of thoughts, intentions, and energy. Whether used in meditation or energy work, this wand helps open the heart and mind to divine guidance, radiating the highest vibration of Earth's natural gifts. It's more than a crystal, it's a conduit for transformation.